Ever wonder what really separates the legends of trading from, well, everyone else? Here's a secret. It's not some magic indicator they bought online. It's an evolution. It's a 5-stage journey that every single successful trader has to go through. No exceptions. So let's dive in and see what that journey actually looks like. But first, we need to start with a pretty brutal reality check. This number you're looking at right here, 2%. That's it. That's the tiny, tiny fraction of traders who ever actually make it, who achieve consistent long-term profits. Just 2 out of every 100 people who try. So what about the other 98%? Well, the vast majority get chewed up and spat out by the market. This isn't some casual hobby with low stakes, you know? For most people, this journey ends in a whole lot of frustration and an empty account. Which brings us to the big question, right? What is the secret? What are these few traders doing that everyone else just isn't? Well, the answer is in this clear 5-stage evolutionary path that completely changes a trader from the inside out. And here it is. This is the pyramid of evolution. Every trader's journey, and I mean every single one, fits somewhere on this roadmap. And figuring out where you are right now, that's the most important first step to actually getting to the top. So let's start where everyone starts, at the bottom. Stage 1 is the gambler. And let's be crystal clear about this. 100% of us start right here. No one gets to skip this part. This is the universal entry point into the crazy world of trading. At this stage, it's all about the rush. It's about the raw excitement and just blind hope. You know, that thrill you get when you click buy and you're just praying for a jackpot. There's zero strategies, zero discipline. It's like the saying goes, gamblers don't trade the markets trade them, just tossing them around on these huge waves of emotion. So after taking enough painful hits, the few who don't just quit entirely, they enter stage 2, the learner. This is that moment where you realize that pure luck is definitely not a strategy, and so you begin this frantic, kind of chaotic search for that holy grail system that's going to fix everything. This stage is just information overload. The learner jumps from one thing to the next. One day it's scalping, the next it's swing trading. They're totally convinced that the next YouTube video they watch or the next course they buy holds that one secret that's finally going to make them rich. And the results of all this? Total chaos. Their charts just become this absolute mess of overlapping indicators and conflicting signals. Yeah, they have more knowledge, but without any real framework, it all just leads to analysis paralysis and, you guessed it, even more losses. Okay, next up is stage 3, the survivor. And honestly, this is probably the most critical and dangerous stage of them all. This is the great filter. This is where the vast majority of aspiring traders finally throw in the towel for good. See, the survivor might actually have a decent strategy, but they are trapped on a brutal emotional roller coaster. They'll have a fantastic week, feel like they're invincible, start planning their early retirement, and then one emotional mistake, like some revenge trading after a bad loss, and boom, it wipes out all their hard-earned gains in a single afternoon. It's a vicious cycle of hope and despair. To really get why survivors get so stuck, think of trading like driving a really powerful car, okay? Your strategy, that's the engine. It's got all the horsepower, all the potential to get you where you want to go. But an engine by itself, no matter how powerful, it's completely useless. Then you've got risk management. Think of this as your seatbelt. It's the one thing that's going to protect you from a catastrophic crash. Survivors often just ignore it. They think their engine is so good they'll never crash. But listen, accidents are inevitable in the market, and without that protection, one bad trade can be fatal. And finally, there's your psychology, your mindset. This is the steering wheel. This is what directs the engine and decides where that powerful car actually goes. Without a disciplined psychology, you have absolutely no control, and it doesn't matter how fast your engine is, you're destined to crash. But for the very few who manage to master all 3 parts of that car and actually make it through the survivor stage, something incredible happens. They enter stage 4, the enlightened. This is the big breakthrough moment where their entire perspective on the markets just transforms. Just look at the shift in the core question they're asking. The survivor is obsessed with offense, right? How can I double my money fast? The enlightened trader, though, they switch their focus entirely to defense. They ask, how can I protect my capital first, and then grow it sustainably for the long haul? It's a game changer. This is the click, that light bulb moment. It's that instant of clarity when they finally, truly accept that trading isn't about being right all the time. It's not a lottery ticket. It's a business of probabilities. They accept that losses are just a business expense, not some personal failure. And they focus on disciplined, unemotional execution, day in, day out. And it's that discipline that leads to the final stage, the absolute summit of the pyramid. This is a place reached only by that elite 2% we talked about. This is stage 5, the capitalist. I mean, this slide says it all. The journey is complete. The gambler who used to scream at the screen, totally driven by fear and greed, has evolved into the capitalist, someone who's calm, detached, and is simply executing a well-thought-out business plan. All that emotional chaos is just gone, replaced by professional consistency. And this is what's really going on under the hood. The capitalist's true weapon isn't some secret chart setup. It's a superior internal toolkit. Their mindset is all about neutrality, not hope. Their focus is on the long-term process, not just quick wins. And risk is their number one priority, and it's managed systematically on every single trade. So after seeing this entire evolution laid out, the question really turns to you, doesn't it? It's time to find your place on this map. Be honest with yourself, because understanding where you are right now is the only way to figure out how to get where you want to go. Think of it like climbing a huge mountain. The journey from gambler to capitalist is a long, tough, steep climb. Most people never even leave the crowded base camp at the bottom. The higher you climb, the lonelier it gets, until only a select few reach that narrow, quiet peak. Look, this path is brutal. It's unforgiving. The market is not going to hand you anything. But every single trader has a choice. You can remain part of the 98% who eventually quit, or you can decide to push forward, to master yourself, and to evolve. Your evolution starts right now. So who will you choose to be?